Hello, I'm Van with Bekaert. I'm here with Keith today, and we're here to talk about our solar security fence options. We've got a lot of options and a lot of planning goes into these projects, Keith.
We do, Van. It's definitely unique in the industry. It's new for us. It's up and coming for sure. But there are a lot of things to consider when you start a solar project.
Absolutely, and we're seeing a big transition over to an axe style fence. And we're seeing that because there's fewer posts, it's a little more economical option, but provides an equal or better security option with the high tensile wire solutions that's in it and the coatings that we offer.
That's right. Most people think of it as an industrial application, and when you talk about industrial security, you talk chain link.
Yep.
And a lot of these are out in the rural communities, and therefore the ag fencing blends in a whole lot better. But there's definitely some requirements for these projects that you have to consider right off the bat.
Absolutely, and that's one of the advantages to the Bekaert product is we offer some fence profiles that allow for inclusion of small animals. So if you want small animals to go through, have a lower environmental impact, we can open the spaces or the openings at the bottom of the fence, which will allow small animals, and then still have good security and wire in the positions you want to protect against larger animals that are big enough to damage solar panels.
So Bekaert offers a lot of online tools as well, Van. We have the fencing calculator and all of these fence profiles that you can check out on our website.
Absolutely, Keith. And one thing I really like about the fence calculator is it's as simple as go in, choose the height fence you want, and then it breaks it down step by step. And then once you start getting close and you get a fence profile chosen, you can easily go in and map out using Google Maps and map out your corners, put in your braces, and it'll calculate your post needs, your wire needs, your bracing, everything you need for that project, and give you a printed out list when you're done.
I know it's on our website, Van, but any projects that I have going, I use the fencing calculator. And we have access to all this stuff.
Absolutely.
And I like it.
I do too. It makes it really simple. You know you don't forget anything, and you get a great list of recommended tools as well.
The next step is going to be to check out those local, state, and federal regulations, because we've seen a lot of regulations and a lot of new regulations that come in as the project progresses.
That's absolutely right, Keith. So what we see a lot is with the solar projects, there's certain requirements. We need a certain height requirement for the security aspect of it, but also, as we talked earlier, with the environmental impact. We want to keep a low environmental impact on these solar projects.
So Van, not only are all these tools on the fencing.bekaert.com website, there's also the section Ask the Fence Pro. And at that point, you can ask any question. It goes directly to you or I, and we can help walk you through these projects as well.
Absolutely, and we've also got the Knowledge Center, which has frequently asked questions. We've got access to videos there on brace building.
That's right.
And the tools you need to install these fences to make sure they last the life of this project.
So when it comes time to start those solar fencing projects, check out the fencing.bekaert.com website, hit the Ask the Fence Pro section, ask Van and I a question, check out the video section, and also the fencing calculator when you're laying those projects out.
Thanks for watching.